CDE is the leading manufacturer of wet processing equipment based in these global headquarters in Northern Ireland. CDE won Manufacturer of the Year in 2018 and 2019 for Ireland. And when we found out that they've got wonderful facilities in America, in Asia, and obviously this fantastic facility where we are today in Northern Ireland, who wouldn't want to get involved with them? Supply Technologies has invested heavily in CDE because they're growing year on year. We did a site survey, we took samples of every component that they use, and we came back to them and put a project together. Supply Technologies is already supplying over 800 parts into CDE with over 100 stations in place. We know this is going to grow rapidly over the next weeks to months to support their objective, which is supplier rationalisation. The first thing first is that every part that we supply is in a two-bin system. It is totally demand driven. When the front bin is empty, it goes on the bottom shelf, the back bin slides forward, we collect the empty bin, our night shift fill it, and it's put back there the next day. Supply Technologies aims to provide all clients to be able to build better, smarter and faster than ever before. In racks, in bins, a significant amount in stock holding, in IT support, in manpower, etc, etc. Supply Technologies have been doing Kanban just-in-time systems now for over 40 years with some of the biggest manufacturers in the world. So we've got experience of when they change over from one supplier to us, it's always seamless.